The governor's public health director contends in the early stages of the pandemic, there were 5,675 senior citizen deaths in long-term care facilities. However, the state auditor general, Douglas Ringler, contends the number is really 8,061. And the release of this 13-page document, a letter, explains how the auditor general got to a different number than the health director, Elizabeth Hertel. She says it's very simple. He counted more places where seniors lived and died than the state was required to count by law. The administration issued this response to the report from the Auditor General, concluding, quote, "We continue to have serious concerns about both the methodology as well as the conclusions they've drawn from this report." The Auditor General's office says, by the way, there were no conclusions.
This report includes deaths from facilities that are not long-term care facilities.
Are they regulated by the state?
No.
And so you are saying you had no responsibility to count those people in those non-state regulated facilities.
They're not long-term care facilities.
So by definition, his report just is counting the wrong people in the wrong place.
That's right.
In his letter, Auditor Ringler said the state's number was accurate. The Republican chair, however, of the House Oversight Committee looking into these deaths asked the auditor to expand the search to include adult foster care homes and other non-regulated senior facilities.
The department gave us what they called their nursing home death count, but it did not include all the facilities. And so what we asked the Auditor General to do is say, hey, let's actually look at all the facilities that were encompassed by that order, not just the ones that self-reported, but every single one of them. And let's just see what the actual number is. And it turns out it's 30% higher than what the Whitmer administration told us.
But the governor's defenders claim that the Auditor General never used that term undercount, preferring instead to call the numbers differences just that, differences. But that, of course, is not as politically explosive as an undercount, which is the word the Republicans prefer. In Lansing, Tim Skubic, Fox 2 News.